Before we continue with the video, if you like what I'm doing here on this channel, please consider subscribing. It helps the channel a lot. Anyway, let's get back to the video. Welcome back. This is just going to be a short video informing you that Unreal Engine 5.1 preview is now released and available for download if you want to do that. I'll leave the link to the announcement post for you so that you can read through it if you want to, where you can check out the different issues that are currently in the build to see if that will affect you or not. Also, it informs you about things that you should not be converting your projects to this. This is just a preview. Do not use this for your production attempted projects. This is merely for showing off the new features and allowing you to test them out if you want to, and such, so that when the full 5.1 release is out, it will be more stable essentially. And to get this version, all you have to do is go to your launcher, and then you'll have a little plus sign here where you can say add a new version, and then from the drop down that you get in the top right, you can choose 5.10 preview and get it downloaded like I'm doing currently. So that's all for now. I hope those of you that are interested in this get to enjoy it, and yeah, that's all for now. Keep on learning. Take care. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you did not like it, leave a dislike. Leave any suggestions or comments you have down below. Subscribe and share this video if you want to see more like it in the future. That is all for now. Keep on learning. Take care.